You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly this name, German name, how it's pronounced in German and how it's pronounced in English correctly. If you want to learn more German names and from music, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Wolfgang is generally how it's pronounced in English. Wolfgang. Now, the German pronunciation, there could be a slightly different depending on the accent, regional accent in Germany, but it's generally pronounced as Wolfgang. So Wolfgang is how it's pronounced, as opposed to Wolfgang, which is the English pronunciation. So German pronunciation, Wolfgang. English pronunciation, Wolfgang. Could you hear the difference? Can you pronounce it correctly now? Wolfgang? At least now you know. Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.